Ooh. This is video.
Oh, get Dudikoff's reaction.
What do you think about that? It's gross. It's gross. It's video, so you can talk.
Is it really?
Yeah, it is.
This is really pathetic. And it was a ton of female eggs. There's a female, and Dex killed it.
How does it make you feel?
He killed it.
All the
babies.
Caught one of these 5 fish.
And you would think that he'd have mercy after having a son. You would think, now this. I mean, look at.
Hey, for the record, Mr. Cameraman, I caught one of these 5 fish.
But you killed a woman.
I killed it.
You killed a woman.
I didn't hook it. Somebody else
look
hooked it.
Put it on his face.
In fact, I think this is
Dudikoff
Dudikoff
Oh, my
who hooked
finger. You killed a woman that was pregnant.
But you caught the woman.
You caught the woman.
You
Oh, yeah.
caught the woman.
Yeah, that's right.
I caught the woman, but I was going to let it go. But you guys wanted to kill it and eat it. That's like a goldfish.